Josh from the tech department at Crank Brothers. We're going to do a maintenance kit on a Joplin today. We're going to start by using a 10mm socket. Just unscrew the bottom here. Go. Then you can unscrew the collar at the top. And pull that right off. What you want to do is take off the old bushings and clean off the Joplin real good. Yep, just a dry rag, get it real clean. We do have a dunk tank that we put the Joplins in when we do a full overhaul, but for just maintaining your post, that is not necessary. And we're going to take our T10, undo the block. A lot of times you'll get some side-to-side play on the Joplin, so the maintenance kit that we have includes a couple blocks for you.
Let's zoom in on that real quick just so we can.
Okay. We'll go ahead and take that block out. And then we're going to go ahead and just pull the collar right off and take the seal out. And you want to grab your new seal, and that lip faces out, just like that. And at this point, just to get this guy back on there, we're going to use a little slick honey just around this area here and on the inside of the seal. So you want to slip that on there and kind of walk it on. You got a sharp lip right here, so you want to be careful. Just walk it on. There you go. Now at this point you want to check your tube. There's a single channel inside the tube. Kind of tough to see, but that's what the block slides in and out of. So you want to line up the writing on your Joplin, the front of the post, and see where that block might be, because there's 3 sections here on the core itself. And the channel's down here, so we're going to put the block right here. Take your Torx, put just a dab of Loctite on there. At this point you can put your new bushings on there. There's a larger bushing that goes underneath the collar. Just slip that right on, and the bottom bushing goes right there. Now you want to apply a liberal amount of some light grease, like slick honey. Slide the post, the outer tube, back onto the core. Bring down that collar, tighten up. At this point you can put a dab of Loctite on the threads. And this doesn't need to be too tight, hand tight. We'll put the 10mm nut back on the bottom of the post. And that's it. Another important thing to remember too is when putting your bike in a bike stand, don't clamp it on here because you don't want to bend this, and that does bend, so you want to clamp it down here on the outer post itself. And that's the Joplin maintenance kit.